Welcome to Shelter Food and Beer. Today I'm cooking a bone-in pork roast. Salt, pepper, and garlic, of course. Real garlic and dried urfa on there too. I put onions in the pan just to give it an essence. While it's smoking, I'm going to be smoking it on my electric smoker. I'm going to be using, for the second time, pellets. I'm going to cook it on full blast on my electric smoker, which with any luck will get to about 275. I'll cook it for an hour and a half to 2 hours. Whenever it reaches the internal temperature of 145, then I'm going to take it out and let it rest till it cools off and slice it into like prime rib slices and grill it either on the gas range or the stovetop grill. Put grill marks on it. Cook it to order like a steak. Basically grilling it, bringing it back up to temperature, and serving when everything else is ready. Everything else being... I set this up with two probes, one from each side. This one's closer to the bone and this one's more in the center of the roast. I also have a probe going in the back that tells me the temperature of the smoker. I was shooting for about a 145 internal temperature, and I've got one reading at 143 and one reading at 146. So I'm going to take it off now and let it rest. I have not opened this up the entire time it's been in there. How long that was, I have no clue. So let's look. Always stand back when you open a smoker. Let all the smoke out. There it is. It looks fantastic. I took the roast out of the smoker at 145. And as much as I'd like to cut this with a bone-in cut, it has the tendency to separate from the bones, so I'm going to just cut the bones off, make 1-inch steak cuts. As you can see, the meat is still very pink inside. I will lay it out on a tray, and what I have here is a blackened seasoning. I will add to it now. Rub that into the meat. Turn it over and get the other side. Quick little time on the grill. Got the char marks. They're done. Pork, bone-in rib, a twice baked potato with lobster and butter on it, garlic toast, and peas. Thanks for watching Shelter Food and Beer.